Hi. Welcome to PDF.co. In today's video, we will show you how to create PDF invoice from Google Sheet with Google Apps Script using PDF.co web API. We provide the link of the full tutorials in the description box below. Come and visit PDF.co for more info. To get started, let's open the Google Sheets application and input the invoice data into the corresponding spreadsheet. Next, click on the Extensions menu and select the Apps Script option. On your Apps Script editor, input the sample code to convert Google Sheets and generate an invoice PDF. You will see the link of the source code in the description box below. Let's set up the sample code. First, add your API key. You can get the API key in your PDF.co dashboard. In line 53, you can modify this line of code to specify the cell and row where you want to write the output URL within the Google Sheets document. This code is designed to extract data from specific cells in a Google Sheets document and store them in a structured manner. Each line of code is responsible for retrieving a specific piece of information from a particular cell in the sheet. To use this code with your own data, you can simply update each line of code to match the data you've added to your Google Sheets document, specifying the corresponding cell and row for each piece of information. Once you have finished setting up the code and making any necessary changes, be sure to save it to ensure that your changes are preserved and the script is ready to be executed. To run the code and execute the program, click on the Run button. We successfully run and executed the program. Let's go back to the spreadsheets which contains our invoice data. Now, let's run the script. Look up for PDF.co and click Get PDF Invoice. Once the script is completed, click on the resulting URL to view the output. Here's the generated PDF invoice from Google Sheets data using Google Apps Script and PDF.co web API. We have a lot more tutorials available that you can check out on our PDF.co website. You may also visit our YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching.